Spark Video, also known as Adobe Voice, as of a couple weeks ago. Um, this is a neat one for kids to make uh, videos with, but um, it's just using kind of images and then they narrate using their iPad's microphones. So it's very easy to create a new video. The red plus sign here, you first, give it a title or whatever. I'm just gonna skip over that part. They do have some blueprints for to help the kids along with structure, I guess. But it's so easy that I usually just have the kids make up their own. Um, so how it works is the scenes get laid out down at the bottom here. You can see I'm working on scene 1 of only one. Um, it does have a tutorial built in, but how you work this is usually I tell them, I guess, to pick um, a photo or something that we're looking at, like an icon, um, for whatever it is they're about to explain. And they can search for icons, they're called, which are just kind of these clip art kind of things. And there's search function. There seems to be thousands of them that you can select in here and bring that into your slide. And once they've kind of picked an image, and there's a few different layouts. If you see up at the top, it says layout. So right now I'm on one thing. So that's a thing is an icon or a picture. If I did two things, I have now my one over here, and then I can show you, like if they do a searching for a photo, there's a lot of different options where they get their photos from. It could be off their iPad, they could snap a picture, or again, they can search for it right inside the app here. So there's a lot of just free images, easy for them to grab and get and put into their presentation. Once they've kind of picked what it is they want it to look like, and there is a layout option where you do have a caption, so they could get a little bit of text down here, but really not too much. It's more about them talking and explaining what they've got going on. So once they've decided what layout they want, they can select music and do some fun thing with themes and stuff up here. But the big thing that this app is all about is this recording here, where they press the button and they press and hold, and it starts recording their voice. So they explain whatever they're looking at, and yada yada yada. And when they're done, they can listen to it, click play. If they don't like it, they just re-record right away. So it's very easy for them to make mistakes and redo. And then to make a new scene, they click the plus sign down at the bottom here, and pretty much everything is the same. You pick a new layout, and you make a new slide, hold to record your next scene, and then continue adding scenes until it is done. Then they can click the play button down here at the bottom, and it shows them their video, and it really makes it nice and professional looking. You would hear my voice talking right now if you were near my iPad, and they can add theme music and fancier backgrounds and that, but it's just that easy to make a video, and then they can share this as a whole lot of different options. I just had them do this option here, which the camera basically means that it's going to save to my camera roll as just a video file, so that I could share that however I see fit. I could post that to Schoology, I could airdrop it, I could email it, whatever. It's now mine as a video file. So really simple app, and all the kids know how to use it because they've done it in my class as well. So it's a great way for them to explain concepts or just make a neat little presentation using mainly their voice.